Let's go to CommSec. Tom Piotrowski joins us live for a look at the markets today. Thomas, good morning to you. So how are we going to open up?
Pete, we're going to see a flat start to trade this morning. The futures largely unchanged. And to an extent reflecting something of an underwhelming session as far as Wall Street was concerned. We had the Dow finish with a small improvement, the S&P 500 up by 1/3%. Tech stocks continued their recent outperformance with the Nasdaq up by around 0.7%. Part of the reason for the tech stocks doing well, Pete, is that the conversation around interest rates is one of the activity levels moderating, contributing to lower interest rates from time to time. So last night we saw a particularly weak reading on a survey called the Empire State Survey of Manufacturing Activity. It measures manufacturing activity in the northeast of the US. It's an important barometer. This measure, in some respects, fell off a cliff last month. It went from a measure of 11 points positive to -31. So this was quite disappointing. The measures in relation to new orders and shipments were particularly underwhelming as well. And so that's why you've seen interest rates tend to moderate over the course of the session. That was helpful as far as tech stocks is concerned. But it dials into a bigger conversation around activity. And that's why today is important as far as the local picture is concerned. We're going to have some important figures out of China, which will paint a picture of what's going on there. They could actually be slightly better than expected, these numbers. Yesterday, there was an expectation that the Chinese may have cut one of their important lending rates. They didn't do that. So it'll be very interesting to see, Pete, whether or not today's figures out of China are better or not. And that will definitely have an impact on the local market today.
Okay, Tom Piotrowski, thank you.